Carrot, you came!
I'm finally telling Dad about us today.
Then stop shaking. You look more scared than excited.
Why are you both standing there like you broke something?
We didn't break anything, Dad. Carrot and I want to get married. Become a responsible vegetable first! Until then, forget about marriage. Fine. One day I'll prove you were wrong about me. No matter what I do, Dad still sees me as a useless kid.
Then don't argue with him, Potato. Show him he's wrong.
Everybody stay calm. Your chief is here.
You said everybody should stay calm.
Huh? I was talking to everybody except me.
Don't get too close. We don't know what's down there.
Shh. Wait, did you hear that? Something is down there.
Huh?
Potato, this place was hidden for a reason.
Then I want to know what everyone's trying to hide.
Don't touch that door! Why? What's behind it? Because your fathers buried this secret 20 years ago.
My father knew about this? What did Dad do? Tell me the truth.
Your father was trying to protect.
You're not angry, Dad. You're scared. What are you hiding from me?
Dad? What are you doing here?
Get away from that door!
It was a water system built to protect us from drought.
Then why did everyone bury it and pretend it never existed? Because something went terribly wrong. What went wrong, Dad?
Some things are better left buried, son.
Then why are you still afraid of it? Why is the machinery moving?
It shouldn't be! The system was shut down!
Dad, what's happening?
The old system has started again.
Potato! The water is spreading everywhere!
Everyone, get away from the cracks! Move to higher ground!
Potato?
That house is moving!
Everybody back! Stay away from the house!
Help! Potato, that sounded like the twins. They're inside the tunnel.
Chief!
What are you carrying in all those bags? My emergency supplies.
The village may depend on them!
You left your important papers and saved cookies?
Cookies are important!
Potato, where are the Pea Twins?
Huh? They were right here a minute ago.
Potato, stop! That tunnel could collapse!
Then I have to reach them before it does.
No, I won't let you risk your life.
You wanted me to be responsible. Those kids need me now. Potato! Help us!
Hold on, I'm coming! You're not going in there alone. Good. Less talking, more rescuing.
You three go. I'll stay here and protect everyone.
Nice try. You're coming.
Potato! Bring everyone back safely!
We're over here! Potato! We thought nobody would find us.
I found you. I found you. Now let's get you home.
Tomato, hold the twins. Not me.
Exactly. That was my next move.
You mean someone damaged it on purpose?
Yes. Someone wanted this system to fail.
Potato, what are you looking at? This didn't break by itself. Wait, isn't that Pumpkin's family symbol?
Then our chief knows more than he told us.
If Pumpkin knows about this, he may not tell us willingly.
Then we won't ask him twice.
We found this on the broken water system.
A pumpkin symbol? There are pumpkins everywhere! Someone destroyed that system on purpose. You know who did it. You have no proof that my family did anything!
Your father damaged the system 20 years ago. He wanted control of the village's water.
You knew all these years and said nothing?
I thought keeping the secret would protect the village.
Hey! Pumpkin is running away!
Don't let him get away!
Leave him to me! I've got this! Okay, maybe somebody else should catch him.
Why are they still chasing me?
Pumpkin! Stop running!
Pumpkin! Don't touch that!
Was that important? Pumpkin, what did you just do?
I don't know! I was trying to escape! The reservoir is building too much pressure!
How do we stop it?
That emergency wheel can close the main gate, but someone has to go inside and turn it by hand.
I'll do it.
I wanted you to become responsible. I never wanted to lose my son. Potato, please, don't go in there.
Trust me, Dad. Just this once.
Come on, move! I'm not giving up now!
Dad, why did you come?
Responsible fathers don't let their stupid sons die alone.
On 3! 1, 2, 3!
It's moving! Keep going! One more push, Dad!
You did it, son. Potato! Grab my hand!
No!
Ah!